of Microsoft Office 365 is easier, reliable, more usable compared to other apps which are hard to connect, which are hard to make some files, which are hard to save some files from the internet. With Microsoft Office 365, you don't need those. All you need is an online connection.
Ko pong feature sa Office 365 is yung quality. Kasi meron po siyang feature na picture to text.
Yung sa akin po, yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko yung mobile version po ngayon ng Office 365. Kasi po, mas convenient po siya ngayon kaysa po yung last version, mas nag-improve. Tsaka po, mas user-friendly na po yung mobile version ngayon.
Akin naman, Skype for Business. Kasi pwedeng marami yung taong yung pag-video call sa isa't isa, syempre. Lalo ngayong college, madaming mga defense, projects, research paper, and hindi lahat makakapunta.